吃烤鱼。A little boat tour around the lake. It is absolutely gorgeous here. I think this is my favorite. This and the horseback riding, and our guide is hilarious. They're from the Nashi clan, which is one of the ethnic minorities in Yunnan.
I know. I know.
Okay, so we're still in Lijiang, but we came to a street filled all with goat. Well, in Chinese they call it lamb, but it's basically goat street. So every restaurant is filled with different kinds of goat dishes. This one right here is a hot pot. This side is a spicy side, and this side is the more natural side with Chinese herbs. Right now I'm going to show you guys how they mix the sauce. So this is ground up peanut, garlic, and then we add some red pepper because I like it spicy. And this is fermented tofu, which is just as bad as stinky tofu, but I'm obsessed with it. So I add it to it. And some green onions. And then at the end, we just get is the white liquor. It's kind of like their vodka, but it's a rice liquor that we're gonna drink. It's about 50% in alcohol. I don't know why I'm drinking. It's a Monday night, but we're having hot pot and